Alright, I'm going to quickly show you how to take a screenshot of Windows 10. Once you have your screen up here and you have your time that you want to show, I usually just click on the windows and you're going to find the snip tool. If you just type snip, you can open the snipping tool right here. Now it'll open up on your screen, and what you'll do is you're just going to push new, and then it's going to say what part of the screen would you like to get. We'll just kind of draw around the plane. Make sure you get the winner part and the actual time, as well as the name of the plane. And you do want to make sure it's your plane, because if you use someone else's plane, I'll just give you an NP for that, because I do want you to have what yours is. Okay, now it's in the snipping tool. What you do is up at the top, you push this little copy, and then it goes into our clipboard. So it's like you did a copy paste or something. So you'll go into Google Classroom, which I don't have. Where's my little folder? And then I'm just going to go into my, let's see, we'll go to Google Classroom. And then we're going to paste it into the Google document in our class, whatever period you are. This is Flight in Space 5. Flight test screenshot, and mine looks a little different than yours, but you should be able to get to a Google's document, and in that document, if it's blank, all you do is you can kind of right-click and do paste, or you can even do Control-V, and then that screenshot will just pop right in, whatever part that you wanted to grab. Then you just kind of push turn in and it sends it to me, and then it's really easy for me to go through and see what time you have or what time you didn't have, depending on what you're doing. Make sure also that your design is in spec. If it's not in spec, then that also doesn't count. Feel free to ask people around you or get some help.